Good morning. You are welcome here. So today's trade ideas is going to follow what we did analyze yesterday, and we see what price did here yesterday and the way it's played out. So with what we have from this level, remember we did place some trade from this angle that we are expecting this first level of something, but we did have some kind of at least let's say 1.5 return from that level before price begin to trade back into that same level. And we have some other shorts that we've placed in place, that we put in place. So taking all of them out, as you can see with the way price is reacting from this level going forward, then we can see that at least we have some things to react away from. So now, with what price is doing here, 15 on 4 hour, we can see that at least this level, this low was taken out, even though we are anticipating this leg because there is a closure below this low, then we expect some continuation below this low. So if we are to go by that, we know that this level wants to be a turtle soup with what price is doing currently, with what price is doing, then we automatically know that okay, this level happens to be major turtle soup in the market. Major turtle soup in the market. So we can term this level turtle soup. And with what we have here, as we can see, this is a shift. So this is a shift in the market, and that's market major MSS there. And from within this level, these are all the levels that I highlighted for liquidity points yesterday. So from all these levels, we have this happens to be our, what is it called, trend change, which is structure break. But there is something happening on daily that we have to be aware of, which is this OB that we have on daily. Even though we are anticipating some kind of retreat, we are anticipating this other block be sending price down. We are anticipating that level for it to send price down to give us lower prices and give us a continuation of our lower prices in the market. So, but with the kind of reaction we are having on 4 hour here is an indication that maybe price is not willing to do what? To go into, to come back down from that OB. But mind you, there is something else we have to be very, very conscious of, which is this particular OB here. So this OB, if we are to talk about this OB in the market, we can be expecting that, okay, for whatever reason, we'll be expecting price to close within the OB before we can continue to kind of like so sorry for that interruption. So now we have this OB that we are expecting and anticipating lower prices from. And we have this level that is giving us some kind of reversal something in the market. Mind you, we have this 4 hour, but what we are anticipating and expecting is the fact that we don't close in. And the reason why I did not buy from within all this level is the fact that this candle did not close within the OP, which is an indication that lower prices might still be intact in the market. So for us now to be able to jump on this trend and buy now, we will be anticipating a closure within this other block. So for whatever reason, we close within this what is it called? Price close within this other block, then we'll be able to know and do what and buy and jump on the buy. So I would have liked, because the way the price is reacting the other time, I would have been considering buying from, let's term it mitigation block at least for now. So that's so what we are expecting and anticipating is closure above this particular level and this leg that we have here. So here will be the determinant of our, here we turn to our strong blow, and here will be our weak high. So for whatever reason, price close above that level and close within something, we'll be risking buying from that. So this will be our weak high. So we've closed above it, and as you can see, 4 hour candle close above it, then automatically we'll be looking to buy from within this level. So that will be a long position for us. Let's take it on something, but mind you, it is a risky one, that matter. So you have to be very, very careful. So, so so that would be a buy at least for me. So 20 pips, and I'll be anticipating 60, 60 pips in a return. So that's going to be a, so like I was saying, the price that we are expecting is this particular level. We're close above this leg here, which is an indication that okay, price is willing to go up. So a closure, and mind you, on 50 minutes, we've gotten this particular mitigation block here, this particular level, this level here. And as you can see, we have a proper mitigation of all this level. And as you can see, we have all these levels within the leg. So this one can now be an hedge for us to go into this particular level here. And mind you, I talked about this high because personally I believe there is no proper mitigation of this level coming from here, because I expect at least some kind of proper retracement and mitigation of this particular block here, but we did not have it. So for whatever reason, we close above this high, and we did close above it, as you can see here, or even on 15 minutes, we close above it. Even on 5 minutes, we did close above it. Then, I mean, on 4 hour, we close above it. Then automatically we know that we are going to we are just going to be risking. It's a risk anyway, so we're still going to keep our something intact. So we have two things that are aligning now. It might seem contradictory, but at the same time, we have this OB coming from daily, which we are anticipating some kind of trade from. So we have this OB coming from daily, and price is still coming, I mean, still trading within that level. And at the same time, we have a proper reversal pattern here, which is signaling higher prices in the market. So what we're going to do is, we could have easily wait for this weak high to be taken first before going into the high. But as you can see from this particular level, even if we measure it with, we try to see the 50% of the something, we can see that it was properly mitigated coming from this level. And this massive rejection is an indication that price might just continue to go into the high. So we have the proper mitigation of this leg. Then uh we are anticipating creation of another leg within the market. So even though I did not want to see any closure, that would have been a guarantee that okay, this other blow might still be holding. But we might still want to be trade, we might still want to come and take the liquidity this uh above this level within the market. So anything can happen. Anything can happen. We just have to know that, and know that within the market that anything can happen. So at least for now, which trade yesterday, we're going to be using this level to hedge toward it. We could have easily come in on 15 minutes yesterday, but because of the fact that we are anticipating the tap of this level for us to be able to capitalize on it and move forward with it into the high. Then that's the reason why we did not properly take all these levels into considerations. So we have shift, but as you can see, with all the levels that we have here, then I guess we can continue to just look or find a means of going with the markets. So I guess that will be all, at least for now. Tomorrow we'll continue from here. Thank you. Have a lovely and a profitable day.